Welcome to today's weather report, USA weather around the U.S. Let's take a look at the weather this lovely morning. This morning we have one severe thunderstorm warning in Nebraska. Nebraska expires in 60 minutes. This brown area is a mesoscale discussion. A watch is unlikely. Probability of a watch being issued is 20%. So anywhere in this brown shape is in a mesoscale discussion. Possibly a severe watch. I'm not doubting it. The storm has a hail core. It's going pretty fast. So I wouldn't expect a big severe. Sorry, I had to do my. I got locked inside my room today trying to escape everyone. Yeah. And we have a few storms over in Iowa. These I don't think will produce anything, but these do have a chance for maybe isolated strong winds, hail, and low chance of a tornado. But with today's environment, it can happen. Let's take a look at the risk for today. There's a big slight risk. Here in this part of Iowa is in a marginal. Fortunately, Des Moines not going to see any of the fun. But this is quite the setup. Let's see. I'm pretty sure the tornado risk is a 2. I think it might be a 5. It's a 2. So this will be our main area for a tornado to form. Not really.
Tornado warning. Seek shelter.
Sorry guys, I'm looking at my streaming software and I had to play something that I did not know what it was. It was a recording I did a while ago. So that's our main risk for that. We're going to head to the wind threat. It's pretty much includes the whole marginal risk and the whole marginal risk, and it holds the whole slight risk, basically. So, yeah. I would be watching up for northern, I'd watch out for this area of Iowa. Sorry, guys. I have to. Okay. So, yeah. The hail threat's basically the same, just greater. And surprising, we are barely outside of this hail threat. I don't know. I'm not saying we live there. Anyways, don't want no rando showing up at our house. My house, at least. So, yeah, this includes the marginal risk, yellow, but then the slight risk goes all the way out like that. It's weird. They're probably going to update it more into southern Iowa a bit, so Des Moines, you're probably going to be in a marginal. That's probably, yeah. And I will be right back. going to talk about this marginal risk. Marginal. And then stretching up. So, something I have said before is there's towns in Canada, and it says they're in a marginal risk, but that's Canada, not the U.S. and the U.S. issues. So, does the USA own part of that? I don't know, because I just don't get it why they have to issue a marginal risk when they can't just draw and cut it at the blue line. I don't get it. The border, the blue line. Before we continue, I'm gonna show you a town that's on the border. I don't know what it's called, so I'm going to try to find it for you guys. There's a cool town that one part of the town's in Canada and one part of the town's in the US. And when you cross the street, you're in Canada. When you cross the street, you're in the US. I'll have to look it up. Anyways, this marginal risk includes Canada, Montana, North Dakota, the whole nation / state of South Dakota, and basically the whole state of Wisconsin, Nebraska, Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, Minnesota, and yeah. And then the rest of the screen is just a general thunderstorm risk. I don't really care about those. No one does. And then there is a tornado risk tomorrow, and so this probably will be upgraded to a slight risk. And the great state of South Dakota. I don't know, guys. Just bear with me. Then I don't really care. 5%, yeah, 5%. Getting tired right now, guys. I'm lacking on my lack of sleep. This morning I had to break out my room, like I said. We have this long, what I want to call, hot dog marginal risk for the third day. Hot dog marginal risk, everyone. Doesn't it look like a hot dog, people? It does look like a hot dog. Hot diggity dog. That does include, it does not include this area, but it includes the upper area of Iowa. Okay, we're going to check up on that severe thunderstorm warning that expires in 8 minutes. They have just issued a new one right as I talk about it. I'm so great. So it looks like that's pretty much it. If I see a day 4, I will be crazy. So, without further ado, like and subscribe, share notifications, and give a huge thumbs up. Thank you, and what shall I say? Bye!